Flight schedule master enables user to enter flight details into system. This flight schedule is available under the menu master. Click flight schedule to load flight schedule master. User can add regular flight details and seasonal flight details in the flight schedule master. To add a new entry, click new. From the arrival day and departure day combo, select arrival day and departure day. When arrival day is selected, that day will be listing in the departure day. If user needs to change that, user can select another day and another day from this combo. Enter arrival flight name here and departure flight name here. This arrival time and departure time fields are not mandatory. If user wants to add the arrival flight time and departure flight time, can enter the arrival time and departure time here. In this arrival from text box, user can enter the details like from where the flight is arriving. In the departure to text box, user can enter details like from to where the flight is departing. In case of regular flights, no need to check this valid from and valid till date fields. User wants to add additional details of flight like aircraft type, user can enter it here. These are not mandatory fields. After saving the details, user can click OK to save the entry. Here we have saved the arrival flight and departure flight details. Suppose if user wants to save arrival flight details only, he can add only the arrival flight details and save the entry. In the same way, user can save only the departure flight details by providing departure flight details only. In case of seasonal flights, this valid from and valid till date fields can be used. Select this valid from checkbox and valid till checkbox and select date range for this seasonal flight here. When this valid from and valid till date fields are enabled, this date details for fortnightly or monthly flights checkbox will become enabled. User can click on the checkbox to see the flight dates. This means that this arrival flight ARR and departure flight DEO is arriving or departing on these particular dates. In reservation intervoice, this arrival flight and departure flight will become visible in arrival flight and departure flight combo if the arrival date or departure date of the packs falls in any of these dates. If user wants to be more specific, that if the arrival flight or departure flight is in any of these dates, user can select the desired date and click OK to save the entry. User can search for particular flight details by providing arrival day, arrival flight, arrival time or departure day criteria here. User can also search for particular flight detail by selecting criteria from this combo box and enter criteria here. User can edit particular details by selecting an entry and click edit button. User can also delete an entry by selecting an entry and clicking this delete button. User can close the master by clicking close button or clicking here.